The limitations of the logging industry are gradually being erased, opening a new, promising era. Are you ready to be a pioneer to see these amazing breakthroughs? Join us to explore cutting-edge technologies that are completely changing the way we access and use valuable resources. And what is life without these failures? Don't forget to click like and share to spread inspiration and development for everyone. You just look at what this monster is doing. It's amazing. In the forest, we look at what this guy is doing. Come closer and feel the power, and the roar of the engine echoes throughout the forest. Saw blade that rips and cuts tree trunks, creating a spectacular scene thanks to the special design. The machine can work continuously for many hours without any damage, helping to increase labor productivity and reduce costs. Just look at how easily this machine chops whole logs into pieces. This is incredible, simply incredible. What power and sophistication, what a design, what a wonderful idea by the designers. How easily they cut down perennial giants. And where would we be without failures? Just look at what carelessness or failure to comply with all safety requirements can lead to. A stump grinder, or stump grinder, is used to quickly remove stump residue after felling trees. It is equipped with a special disc or cutter with strong teeth that rotate at high speed and cut the stump wood to ground level or deeper. This allows you to effectively prepare the area for further use, for example, for construction, landscaping, or agricultural needs. The machine can be either autonomous or mounted on a tractor or excavator, depending on the scale of the work. Just look at these giants falling. It's beautiful and breathtaking. Just look what this monster can do with such hard material. It cuts through it like butter. Just look. Machines play an important role in forestry, providing speed, efficiency, and safety. Modern logging equipment, such as harvesters and forwarders, can handle the entire cycle of operations, from felling trees to processing and transporting them. These machines help process large volumes of timber in a short time, reducing the physical strain on workers. Thanks to their advanced technology, machines can operate in challenging conditions, such as steep slopes or dense forests, while minimizing environmental impact through precise actions and reduced soil disturbance. However, even the most advanced machinery cannot fully replace human craftsmanship. An experienced logger has a deep understanding of forest structure, knows how to fell a tree to avoid damaging nearby vegetation, and considers the specific features of the landscape. Human intelligence allows for decision-making in non-standard situations, such as extreme weather conditions or working with unique tree species. Human expertise is particularly crucial in selective logging, where precision and ecological awareness are essential. Thus, machines are indispensable helpers in modern forestry, but it is the combination of cutting-edge technology and human expertise that ensures high-quality and environmentally responsible logging. Loggers remain the heart of this industry, as their skills maintain the balance between industrial needs and the protection of nature. The giants of the forest are now living their final moments under the skilled hands of the carpenter. Each cut of his saw is amazingly precise, like a symphony of precision. When the huge tree trunks fall, it is like a giant velvet curtain being lifted, revealing a majestic and mysterious scene that captivates the audience. This is truly an outstanding advancement in technology, with a high-speed rotating rotor system and ultra-hard cutting blades that are capable of crushing plant biomass into small fragments, creating favorable conditions for the natural degradation digestion process that affects the soil. Tree trimming from a helicopter is a modern method of vegetation care that provides quick and efficient removal of branches that threaten power lines, railways, roads, or other infrastructure. The main goal of this process is to prevent accidents such as short circuits, damage to communications or objects due to falling branches, as well as reduce the risk of forest fires. The helicopter is equipped with special devices, most often multi-saw systems or hydraulic shears, which are suspended under the fuselage or held by long rods. The pilot performs precise maneuvers at low altitude, moving along the tree lines, while the suspended equipment cuts dangerous branches with high precision. This method allows you to cover large areas in a short time, especially in hard-to-reach areas where the use of ground equipment is difficult. Such operations reduce time and labor costs, and ensure maximum safety for workers who do not come into direct contact with trees or dangerous areas. Stump grinders are specialized machines used for removing tree stumps left behind after logging. They are essential tools in forestry, construction, agriculture, and landscaping. These machines enable quick and efficient clearing of land, which is a critical step in preparing the soil for further use. With a variety of designs and technologies available, stump grinders are suitable for different conditions and stumps of varying sizes and hardness. There are several main types of stump grinders, each with its advantages. The most common are machines with milling mechanisms that work by grinding the stump. These are equipped with rotating discs or drums with durable metal teeth that can shred the wood into sawdust. Such models are ideal for flat areas and are used to grind the stump down to ground level or even below, making them perfect for landscaping or site preparation for construction. Another type includes machines with hydraulic or uprooting mechanisms that remove the stump along with its roots. These are well suited for challenging terrains and demanding conditions, particularly in agriculture, where it is essential to clear the land entirely for plowing. A separate category includes mounted stump grinders, which are attached to tractors, excavators, or other multifunctional machinery. They offer high maneuverability and are convenient for large-scale operations. Standalone models, equipped with their own engine and used independently, are better suited for smaller areas but are less powerful. The choice of stump grinder depends on specific needs, such as the scale of work, soil type, stump size, and the required depth of removal. The advantages of using stump grinders are clear. They significantly reduce the time required for clearing compared to manual methods, ensure uniform and high-quality results, minimize physical effort for workers, and can operate in a variety of conditions, including hard-to-reach areas. With high power, they can handle even large and hard stumps, which is crucial in the forestry industry. Moreover, using these machines is environmentally responsible, as stump remnants are often turned into wood chips that can be used for mulch or biofuel. Among modern equipment manufacturers, models with adjustable work speeds and replaceable cutting components are particularly popular, offering durability and versatility. Innovative features, such as automatic adjustment for soil type or built-in safety systems, make stump grinders even more efficient. In conclusion, stump grinders are indispensable tools for land clearing, combining power, precision, and versatility. The choice of the best model depends on the conditions and tasks, but modern technologies provide optimal solutions for any type of work, ensuring speed and quality at the highest level.